Welcome back, and the IPL today is all set to begin. It is a repeat of last year's final as Mumbai Indians will be taking on Chennai Super Kings, and Abu Dhabi is hosting the tournament opener, which will mark MS Dhoni's return to competitive cricket.
Mumbai Indians versus Chennai Super Kings. A blockbuster clash to kick off the 13th edition of the IPL. Rohit Sharma on one side and Mahendra Singh Dhoni on the other. Two of the most successful teams in IPL history will battle it out in the tournament opener.
Oh, he's picked this up. Oh, what a hit!
Chennai will be without Suresh Raina and Harbhajan Singh, while defending champions Mumbai will miss the services of Lasith Malinga.
Well, he's got nothing of this.
Mumbai is one of the most balanced teams and will start as favourites.
Lovely. Oh, goodness gracious, there is some power here tonight.
Of late, the Blue Brigade has dominated the Super Kings as well. In the last edition of the IPL, the two sides met 4 times, and on all the occasions, it was Mumbai who emerged as winners. The two sides last met in the finals of IPL 12, and Mumbai edged out Chennai in a last-over thriller. All eyes will be on MS Dhoni as well, who will return to action after a long gap. With no Raina, Harbhajan and Ruturaj Gaikwad, Dhoni faces a stiff challenge of putting out his best 11 on the field.
Tried to bowl the slower ball, but it's gone back quicker.
Mumbai, on the other hand, is a settled side and have all their bases covered. On paper, the defending champions look the superior side. But over the years, Chennai have shown that they have the potential to deliver with their backs against the wall. Sports Bureau, India Today.
Give over. How's he doing that? Well, you just slice it there.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.